Roxtec Transit Build, a digital management system for cable and pipe transits. Imagine taking control of the entire cable and pipe transit installation process, to be able to avoid costly failures and the risk of delays, and to hand over a perfectly documented cable transit seals systems register to the owner at the end of the project. By using Roxtec Transit Build, you can manage all your transits online. With instant tracking and status reporting, it's your constantly updated tool for systemized quality assurance of each cable and pipe seal in the construction process. It works offline as well as online to make sure all information is up to date. Secure the installation process and quality approval workflow, and minimize the risk of failures and delays. Make sure you meet safety requirements and keep plans, drawings, and certifications available. You can follow the progress, check the activity log and status of each cable and pipe penetration seal, and even share information with owners and surveyors. Then you deliver a complete digital cable transit seals systems register that meets official regulations and class requirements. Roxtec Transit Build is part of the Roxtec software suite, a set of interlinked tools made to help designers, construction teams, owners and operators ensure safety throughout the life cycle of an asset.